how to check history on TikTok. To get started, first of all, open up the TikTok application on your phone. You will then be taken to the TikTok homepage. Here you can explore and view TikTok Reels. On this page, go to the bottom right corner and tap on Profile. Here you can edit and view your profile information. Now go to the top right corner and tap on the 3 horizontal bars. Then go to Settings and Privacy. Then go to Activity Center, and then tap on Watch History. Here you can find your recently watched TikToks. You can also filter the videos as you like by tapping on Filter by Date at the top. After that, tap on Apply. You will then see the TikToks according to that filter. Following these steps, you can easily check history on TikTok. Thank you for watching. Please leave a like if this tutorial helped you, or leave a comment below if you have any questions related to the video.